In this video, you'll learn how to set up working time slots in Google Calendar. Setting clear working hours is a simple way to organize your day, protect your focus time, and let others know when you're available. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a dedicated event in your calendar that clearly marks out your working time. Let's get started by opening Google Calendar. In your browser's address bar, type calendar.google.com and press enter. Make sure you're signed into the Google account where you want these working hours to appear. Once the page loads, you should see your main calendar view either by day, week, or month, depending on your default settings. Now, look toward the top left of the screen for the Create button. This is what you use to add anything new to your calendar. Go ahead and click on Create. A small menu will appear with different options for what you can add. From that menu, choose Event. This tells Google Calendar that you want to create a standard calendar event, which is perfect for blocking out a time range for working. When you click Event, a larger event details window will open, usually in the center or on the right side of the screen. Next, it's important to give this event a clear, recognizable title. Click in the title field at the top and type Working Hours. Using a consistent name like this makes it easy to spot in your calendar at a glance, and you can reuse it if you decide to create similar blocks on other days. Now, set the date for your working hours. Just below the title, you'll see fields for the event's date and time. Click on the date field, and a calendar picker will appear. Choose the day you want to mark as your working day. If you're planning ahead, you might select a future date, or if you're organizing today's schedule, just keep it on today's date. Once the date is set, adjust the working hours themselves. You'll see start and end time fields next to the date. Click on the start time to choose when your workday begins, for example, 9 in the morning. Then click on the end time to choose when your workday finishes, maybe 5 in the afternoon. Make sure the time zone is correct, especially if you travel or work with people in different regions. You can also decide whether this is an all-day event, but for most working hours, you'll want specific start and end times, so your availability is accurate. Before you finish, you can quickly review the event. Check that the title says working hours, the date is correct, and the time range matches your actual schedule. If you'd like this same block to repeat every weekday, you could use the repeat or recurring options in the event window, but that's optional and depends on how fixed your schedule is. When everything looks right, click Save. This is usually at the bottom of the event window. After saving, you'll see your working hours event appear on your calendar at the date and time you selected, clearly blocking off that time as your working slot. That's all there is to it. You've just created a clear working time block in Google Calendar, helping you manage your day and communicate your availability more effectively.